turn. You already know. Boy, you already know.
He owe you money or something, Drew? First team.
Might as well be us, huh?
One more, baby.
One more, boys.
Everybody gas up, man. It's gonna be crazy, man. You know, all the fans in Foster Forum, they always bring the juice, bring the energy, and it's always like a battery for us, man. They the real sixth man of the league, and shit, I can't wait.
We got business we gotta take care of.
Bucks fan, I don't usually do this. I try to stay away from social media. But we're going back home, and we one game away. Be loud. We need you guys to do this. Be loud.